What if you could walk away from your job in your 40s with enough money to never work again? Not because you got lucky, not because you inherited a fortune, but because you made a handful of smart decisions starting today. Stick around because in the next few minutes, I am going to show you exactly how to make that happen. Most people spend 40 years grinding away at a job they tolerate, waiting for some magical age before they can finally breathe. But there is a growing movement of people who completely rejected that idea. They retired in their 40s, sometimes even earlier, and they did it using strategies that are surprisingly straightforward. The gap between you and them is not money. It is knowledge and timing, and both of those things you can control right now. Let me start with the single most important shift you need to make. Stop thinking about retirement as an age and start thinking about it as a number. Specifically, it is the number that represents 25 times your annual expenses. Financial researchers call this the 4% rule. The idea is simple. If you build a portfolio large enough that you can safely withdraw 4% of it each year without running out of money, you are financially free. That is your target. Everything else flows from knowing that number. Now here is where most people get tripped up. They focus entirely on earning more when the real lever is the gap between what you earn and what you spend. If you earn $100,000 and spend $90,000, you are saving 10%. At that rate, traditional retirement math says you need about 40 years to reach freedom. But if you flip that equation and save 50% of your income, you can potentially retire in under 17 years. The math is almost shocking when you first see it. Increasing your savings rate is the most powerful engine driving early retirement, far more powerful than chasing a higher salary alone. But let us talk about income too, because this is not just about cutting lattes. You need to grow what comes in. One of the most effective strategies people in their 40s use is building multiple income streams alongside their primary job. This might look like real estate that generates monthly rental income, dividend-paying stocks that send you checks regularly, or even a side business built around a skill you already have. The goal is to create money that works while you sleep so that your dependence on a paycheck slowly shrinks over time. Investing is where the real acceleration happens. Time in the market consistently beats timing the market. If you are starting seriously in your 30s or 40s, you still have 10 to 20 years of compound growth ahead of you. That is powerful. Broad index funds that track the overall market have historically delivered strong long-term returns with minimal fees. The lower your fees and the more consistently you invest, the faster your wealth compounds. Automate your investments so you never have to rely on willpower. Pay yourself first, every single month, without exception. Here is a psychological truth that most financial advice ignores. Early retirement is not just about money. It requires a complete identity shift. Many people, especially high achievers, tie their entire sense of worth to their career. Retiring early without addressing that attachment often leads to restlessness, boredom, and even regret. The people who thrive in early retirement have a clear vision of what they are retiring toward, not just what they are leaving behind. Build that vision now. What does your ideal Tuesday look like? Who are you outside of work? These questions matter as much as your savings rate. There is also the healthcare question that stops many people cold. If you retire before you qualify for government health coverage, you need a plan. Some people use marketplace insurance options. Others build healthcare costs directly into their financial projections. Whatever route you choose, underestimating healthcare is one of the biggest mistakes early retirees make. So research this thoroughly before you pull the trigger. One final strategy that accelerates everything is what some call arbitrage. If you can reduce your living expenses significantly by moving somewhere with a lower cost of living, even temporarily, your savings rate skyrockets and your target number shrinks. People have used this to shave years off their timelines. Here is the real bottom line. Early retirement in your 40s is not a fantasy reserved for Silicon Valley tech workers or lottery winners. It is a system. It is a set of deliberate choices made consistently over time. Start by calculating your number. Aggressively close the gap between income and spending. Invest early and often. Build income that works independently of your time, and design a life worth retiring into. The best time to have started was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. So what are you waiting for?